Meaning of home brew.
Home brew.
Home brew.
Home brew.
Home brew. Home brew is a term used to describe the process of making beer, wine, or other alcoholic beverages at home. It involves using specialized equipment and ingredients to create unique and customized brews, which can range from mild to strong in flavor and alcohol content. Some people enjoy home brewing as a hobby, while others do it to save money or to experiment with different recipes. Overall, home brew is a fun and creative way to explore the world of beer and winemaking, and to enjoy delicious, handcrafted drinks with friends and family.